This type of example of photochemical reaction. It's an example of photochemical reaction. What happened in Norris type 2 reaction? It's the abstraction of gamma hydrogen takes place. Gamma hydrogen is a very famous reaction, just like a McLafferty in mass spectrometry. We are very much familiar with the mass spectrometry and the fragmentation McLafferty, gamma hydrogen. So Norris type 2 and McLafferty exactly same. There is no novelty, no change, exactly same. Both are the same reactions. So what is the mechanism? Very simple mechanism on the state 2 reaction. In mass spectrometry, we use what electron source bombardment. Here we are using photochemistry, light, radiation. So what is the mechanism? Gamma hydrogen removal or abstraction takes place by the carbonyl carbon. Same here there in the McLafferty, but you know, Norris type 2 reaction is limited to only carbonyl compounds. That's a drawback, or we can say limitation. Norris type 2 is limited to only carbonyl compound. While what about the McLafferty? It can be for carbonyl, carboxylic acid, cyanide, alkynes, all types. All any compound in mass spectrometry, any compound which contain pi bond and gamma hydrogen undergo such type of reaction. Yes, right. Any compound, McLafferty. But Norris type 2 is limited to only carbonyl compounds. So let us go for the specific reaction in this one. So we can see here how the see now. See, this is the very uh, best example or represent example for Norris type 2 reaction. You can see this is the carbonyl compound having the alpha, beta, gamma hydrogen. This is the alpha, beta, and the gamma carbon and the gamma hydrogen. Okay, gamma hydrogen. This gamma hydrogen abstraction takes place how? Excitation, intersystem crossing, similar to triplet, and this H migrate by homolysis from here to here. This double bond break. One of the bond is one bond breaks like this. For example, this one. One radical here, one radical here. You see, and this H migrate at oxygen. Very simple, Norris type of reaction. See, and what is the next step? Next step is nothing but there are two chances for this type. If there is a bond formation like this, so it will form a cyclobutane ring, cyclobutanol like this, cyclobutanol. So many times you will find such questions, NET and JEE and sorry, not JEE, NET, GET, SET, many exams, and even in university exam. Cyclobutanol. What is another fate of reaction? Similar to McLafferty, this alpha carbon, beta carbon cleavage takes place. Homolysis. If you see homolysis, so this the bond will form here and this bond will form here. So alkenes and enols, alkenes and enols are the final product of Norris type 2 reaction. Remember, if 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 bulky group present, if bulky groups these are not bulky groups, then cyclobutane ring formation takes place. If these are bulky groups, then cyclobutane ring cannot bear these groups and undergo this McLafferty fragmentation, and you will get this enol and alkene. So this is what the Norris type 2 reaction. See here, it's a very beautiful example of one drug. One drug is there, which is used for this called as the cardinolite obagenin. Very biologically active drug. So it is a bioactive molecule. So how it can be prepared? So you can see this very interesting example. See just examples. may create some confusion, but if we have a simple approach and clear cut idea, the problem can be solved. See this is the carbonyl carbon. This carbon is alpha carbon. This carbon is a beta carbon, and this is the gamma carbon. Right? So when you irradiating with such compound with the certain amount of radiation or selected radiation, the Macquarel filter, and we are using sodium dodecyl sulfate as a supportive reagent, room temperature, just in reaction in the water, but time is more about about 3 or 4 days. Okay, so this hydrogen migrate at this oxygen. You can see this hydrogen migrate at this oxygen, and similar what we have seen in the previous example, and followed by the formation of four-membered ring. Formation of four-membered ring by Nash type 2 reaction. Cyclobutanol, very beautiful example. And this is the precursor or intermediate can be used for the synthesis of very biologically active drug. That is what the obagenic. Okay, fine. Example can be extended like this. Simple example for Nash type 2. So can you, what product we can expect from this? So you can say the mechanism is like this. Acetone and propene. Acetone and the propene are the products which are formed in this reaction. Okay, so this is what about the Nash type 2 reaction.